Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Yaasmiin with AHMAD TARMEZI from class Sr605-5B. Today I'm going to present about individual assignment for Srt605. I'm going to explain about data set 1, which is cholesterol. AHMAD want to identify any significant differences in mean of cholesterol level between group A and B. The first question is, what is the suitable statistical analysis for the objective or questions? The suitable statistical analysis for the objective or questions which is independent variable, for example, group A and B. Second one is independent variable, which is cholesterol level. Then observation, for example, independent sample or independent t-test. Next is distribution of data, which is test normality using Kolmogorov and Shapiro. The next question is, what are the assumptions of the statistical analysis? The assumptions of the statistical analysis is cholesterol level, which is dependent variable, is a numerical data. It is a random sample, which is two samples are independent of each other. For example, group A and group B are independent observation. Next, question C is, you need to explain how to check the normality using SPSS and explain the output. We move to SPSS and click the variable view, and then key in group underscore cholesterol. And the second one is level underscore cholesterol. Okay, for decimals of group cholesterol is 0 and the level underscore cholesterol is 1. Then we move to value. The value for group cholesterol is 1 and the label is for group A, and click add. Next, the value of level cholesterol is 2 and the label for group B. Click add and OK. We move to measurement. Click scale for group and level cholesterol, and then we proceed to the data view and we proceed to group cholesterol. We key in for group A, the value is 1. There are 11 what? 1. For group B is 2. Now we proceed to the level underscore cholesterol, which is 6, 6.4, 7, 5.8, 6, 5.8, 5.9, 6.7, 6.1, 6.5, 6.3, 5.8, 6.4, 5.4, 5.6, 5, 5, 4.5, 6, and the last one is 6.1. Then click Analyze and then Descriptive, and then click Explore and the level of cholesterol for dependent list, and then choose group cholesterol for factor list, and then click Statistic, and as you can see, confidence interval for mean is 95%. Then we click Continue. For plots, we click Histogram and Normality Plot with Test. Then Proceed. Then click OK. We proceed to Test of Normality. For Test of Normality, we choose Shapiro because the sample size not more than 50. Okay, then from statistical technique, p-value Shapiro for group A is 0.332 more than 0.05, which is not significant or normal. Then for group B, p-value Shapiro is 0.893 is more than 0.05, which is not significant or normal. Next, we move to histogram. From graphically, both of graph show normal distribution, so assumption is met. Distribution is normal, and therefore the appropriate method used is independent t-test. The hypothesis is there is significance in mean of cholesterol level between group A and B, and not significant is there is no significance in mean of cholesterol level between group A and B. Next, we proceed to independent t-test. Once you open your SPSS, click Analyze and then Compare Means, and then you click Independent Sample t-test. Okay. You click Level Cholesterol, add Test Variable, and then Group Cholesterol, add Grouping Variable. And then you click Define Group. For Group 1, you key in 1, and Group 2, you key in 2, and then continue. Then you click Option. As you can see, there are confidence interval percentage, which is 95%, and then click Continue. Then click OK. So, the conclusion is there is significance in mean of cholesterol level between group A and group B. Group A for mean, which is 6.227, and standard deviation is 0.3901, reported had significantly higher cholesterol level than group B, which is the mean 5.533, and the standard deviation is 0.6144. Okay, now we proceed to the second question. Next, data set 2, which is scar. Iskandar want to compare the changes of scar area of the burn patients before and after treatment. Measurements are taken 1 day before and 1 week after treatment. We proceed to the first question. What is the suitable statistical analysis for the objective or questions? The suitable statistical analysis for the objective or questions, which is dependent variable, for example, scar area of burn patients. The second one is independent variable, for example, measurement before and after treatment. Next, observation, which is dependent sample, for example, PET test. The last one is distribution of data, test normality using Kolmogorov and Shapiro. The second question is, what are the assumptions of the statistical analysis? The assumptions of the statistical analysis is the observations differences before and after are normally distributed. For question C is, you need to explain how to check the normality using SPSS and explain the output. So you go to the SPSS and then choose variable view. Then you key in before underscore treatment. Second one is after treatment. Go to decimal of before treatment is 2 and also after treatment is 2. Okay, for next is measure, which is scale for both. Okay, next we go to data view and then we key in the database that are given by Miss Jamila. Okay, the first one is 5. Next, 7, 5, 7, 5.5, then 5 and 3, 5, 6, 4, 8, 7.5, 6, 3, 2, 7, 7, 6, 4.5, and the last one is 4. For after treatment is 4, 5.5, 3.5, 7, 4.5, 4, 2, 4.5, 4, 3, 6, 5.5, 4, 2, 1, 5.5, 4.5, 4.5, 3, and the last one is 3. Then click transform and click compute variable, and for target variable is we key in differences, and then click before treatment and choose this and click after treatment and then click OK. When the differences is pop up, click analyze and then go to descriptive and click explore, and then the differences for dependent list and then click statistic. As you can see, confidence interval for mean is 95%. Then click continue, click plots, and then click histogram and normality plots with test. Then continue and click OK. Next, we proceed to test of normality. Okay, as you can see here, we choose Shapiro because the sample size not more than 50. Okay, since the p-value for difference is 0.133 more than 0.05, the data is normally distributed. Therefore, the appropriate method used is PET test. We go back for hypothesis. For null hypothesis is there is no changes of scar area of the burn patients before and after treatment. For hypothesis is there is changes of scar area of the burn patients before and after treatment. Then choose analyze and compare means and choose PET sample t-test. Okay, for the variable 1, you choose before treatment, and variable 2, you choose after treatment, and click option. As you can see, confidence interval percentage is 95%, and click continue and OK. Next, we move to PET sample t-test. As you can see, the mean for t-test before treatment is 5.3750 and after treatment is 4.0500. The conclusion, there is changes of scar area of the burn patients before and after treatment. We can conclude that the treatment can reduce the mean scar area of the patient. That's all from me. Thank you.